Get ready to experience audio bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, offering industry-leading noise cancellation that truly transforms your listening. Imagine pure silence, blocking out commutes, office chatter, or noisy flights. These headphones deliver exactly that, making them easily one of the best electronics of 2025. Beyond the quiet, their incredible 30-hour battery life means your music and calls last for days without needing a recharge. If you're looking for wireless headphones that won't die on you mid-trip, this feature is a game-changer. Plus, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone, boosting productivity and convenience. This intelligent design truly sets the XM5 apart, adapting to your environment and personalizing your sound experience like no other. Ready to experience this audio revolution? Check out the Amazon link below for the best price on these top-tier noise-canceling headphones. Whether it's for travel, work, or just pure listening pleasure, the Sony WH-1000XM5 delivers premium sound quality and comfort. They're not just headphones, they're an escape, an upgrade to your daily audio life. Seriously, if you're buying headphones in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are the ultimate choice for an unparalleled listening experience.